guys, it's me Sweet from the Big Room, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make butter slime. So the first ingredient you will need to make butter slime is 3/4 cup of Elmer's glue, a 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you're going to want to add 3 teaspoons of contact solution.
Remember, kids, never use borax because it can hurt your hands.
You're going to want a 1/4 cup of Model Magic and an 1/8 cup of water. So, you are going to use Elmer's school glue. Make sure it's PVA glue. So make sure you do it over the bowl. I think I need a little bit of the other glue. This is just too high. Okay, we are good. Okay, just bend. Okay, we are a-okay. So now you're gonna want to take some food coloring. But you don't have to add food coloring. But I am choosing to use food coloring. Also, shout out to Sedona Fun Kids TV. Make sure to subscribe to her. Hey. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring my 3/4 of glue inside the bowl. Okay. So now I'm going to mix it with this spoon. It is beautiful. So now you're gonna want to have a 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. You want to get that all around there. Get 3 teaspoons of saline solution. I am on my 2nd teaspoon, and I have 1 teaspoon to go, and then I have made my slime. Then I'm just gonna add my Model Magic. Okay, now it's gonna become a slime-like consistency. It's almost ready. There it is, it's all formed. We had like a word quiz and satisfying was on it. Comment down below, satisfying. So I have my Model Magic right here. You can buy it at any store. You're gonna want a 1/4 cup of Model Magic. And then what you're gonna do is have a 1/8 of water. Just gonna go through. See? It is all dissolved, and it is okay if little bits of water is still there. But I'm gonna get my slime. So you're just gonna wanna put this in there. Easy as pie. Then, okay, are you ready for the spread test? It spreads, guys. It spreads. me a butter knife. You are going to see the knife spread. So, I think this was a success. Let me just roll it up in a ball. And then you're just gonna let it lay out, but I'm just gonna do this. Anyway. Like, I can't explain the texture, but it's real good. And it's a little heavier, actually. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to make butter slime. And I will see you guys on next time on the Big Room.